Hey, I'm Richa and this is my food story. And today I'm showing you a quintessential Indian recipe for aloo gobi. We're going to start with adding some hot water to cauliflower florets. This actually takes care of any bacteria or worms that might be still there in the gobi after you cut it. And then you can just set it aside for a few minutes while we start cooking the base of this recipe. Heat mustard oil in a large kadhai or a wok. Add cumin seeds, bay leaf, dried red chillies, julienne ginger and slit green chillies, and then stir fry till you can smell the aromatics. But make sure not to burn the ginger. Add diced potatoes, and the drained cauliflower florets to the kadhai along with turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder and salt. Mix this all really well till the masala coats the potatoes and the cauliflower. And then cover and cook this till the cauliflower and potatoes are nice and tender. Once these are cooked, add tomatoes and kasuri methi and then stir fry again for another 2 to 3 minutes. We just want the tomatoes to cook slightly and become pulpy. And then garnish with some ginger and coriander and serve this hot with some steamed rice and maybe a side of dal. This recipe makes a delicious aloo gobi and I really hope you try it.